Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up and performance report for Nick in Ohio, and it's RCI-2970n2. Nick, we got your MD4 external signal meter set up. It's going to plug into the CW jack. Got all wired in where it works on transmit and receive. Check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. And I sent you a picture of it set right here. That is where the calibration knob will be when you're calibrated for S9. You can adjust that and make it looser or tighter, whatever suits you, okay? RF power all the way down, 500 watt slug. About 6 watts all the way down, so you have full adjustability if you decide to run an amp. And about 54 all the way up. I'll roll it back down. 250 watt slug, going to show you average power swing. Hello. About 110, 115 bird. 250 watt slug. Hello. Hello. 250 watts in the corner. Now those of you that keep track of me, you say, well, most of the time you get 225 out of these. Well, that's right. Well, what we've done, we did the maxmod voltage regulator upgrade and the erf2030 plus upgrade to the radio chassis. That's where we're getting the extra power. So we ended up about 260 watts. I think he might run us in his mobile. So it's probably going to about 250 in his mobile. Alright, Nick, I hope you enjoy this monster from your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bump, bump.